now coming to the first question, that was what is coding. So coding is just like a way of communication. Okay, just like I am communicating with you people in English. Okay, if I start communicating with you in German and you don't know the German, you will not be able to understand what I am telling you. Okay, we will not be able to communicate because you don't know the German. Let us suppose, or if you let us suppose you start talking in the some another language like Spanish, and I don't know Spanish, so we will not be able to do communication. Okay, so for communication purpose, it is very much important that both the people who are communicating should know the same language or the same thing. Similarly happens with the computer. If I say computer to do something, I have to tell him in the language, in the way that computer understands. Okay? Let us suppose I am going to tell you something like that, go copy kodo. You must be not able to understand what I say. Are you able to understand? Anyone? You're so genius. Why you are not able to understand? Because I use a language which was not convenient for you. You don't understand that language. Similarly happens with the computer. The computer understands a set of language. So we have to communicate in that particular language. But here I am writing the coding is a skill. Yeah, definitely coding is a skill. And why? I am telling about the language and the skill. There is a confusion a little bit. So let's make this clear very much. Like I am communicating in English. This is a language. If you know Hindi, I know Hindi, we can communicate in Hindi. That is another language. If you know French, I know French, we can communicate in French. That is another language. But the communication is a skill. Different languages can be used. Similarly, in the coding, there are different languages like C++, Java, Python, all these are the languages. But coding is a skill of presenting your thoughts, presenting your task or instructing your task to the computer. Like the communication is a skill in which we and you can communicate. It can be used either by English language, Hindi language or any other known language by the two persons. Okay? Is that making any sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see with some examples. Here you can see there is a red bird. Okay, its name is Angry Bird. It's a little bit angry. You must have played some game like Angry Bird. It's like the same. And this Angry Bird wants to eat this piggy. Okay, this green piggy. But if I say this Angry Bird, go and eat your piggy. Will that will go? Let's see. No, it's not moving. Okay, it's not doing anything. Okay, let's say I'm just playing it run. Still, it's not doing anything. Am I right? Okay. So why so? Because it's not understanding what I'm telling it to do. Because I'm telling in just a verbal language that computer does not understand at all. Okay. Let us suppose I tell in say another language, but the way of communication is also still voice. Okay. Like I'm saying is go move forward 2 steps, then turn left. Okay, you can see my cursor. Move forward, then turn left, then move 2 steps forward, and you will reach your goal. Piggy. Okay. So Angry Bird do it. Move 2 steps forward, turn left, and move 2 steps forward again. Still, it's not doing anything. You can see I am running, it's not working. So, because still I am using I am using another language, another task, another set of instruction. But still my language or my way of communication not understandable by the computer. But now I am going to do some coding. Like I am going to give a task, move forward, first steps, like here, second here, and then we need to turn. Anyone just tell me, if this Angry Bird reaches here, can you see my cursor?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. From here, either this Angry Bird should turn to its right or left to reach the piggy.
I think left.
Left. Very good. Turn left, because you can see if you stand here, your right is this and your left is this side, and this Angry Bird needs to move to the left. So this Angry Bird will reach the pig. Okay. Then after turning to the left, let's see the first steps. Is it working? 1, it's in the move forward direction. It's the first block and it's move 1 step move forward. Then another step. It goes to another step. Okay. So I think now the Angry Bird is understanding what I'm telling him, because I'm telling in his own language. That's computer language, that is coding. Is it making sense to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, as you can see here, the move forward block is outlined with the yellow color, okay, in the second. And it is in Angry Bird is also in the second position. So it's following the step-wise step instruction, like the first step, then it's on the second step, and now I will click on the third step. Then it moves turn left, okay. Now any one of you can, if you understand little bit, can you tell me? I should use another move forward after this to reach Piggy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see what happens if I use only one step. Steps and the steps and again steps. So it's just behind the piggy, okay? And next step function is not allowing me to do anything. Why? Because the codes are finished. So I need to code complete code in order to reach the goal. See, let us suppose I want a glass of water, and I tell you to do what I told you. Okay? Let us suppose I tell you, go and take a tumbler. You go on, take a tumbler, fill it with water. You fill it with water, but I didn't tell you to come back with that filled water. You will not come, and I will not get the water. So the instruction should be complete. Okay? Otherwise, the task will not be get completed. So I need to add one move forward extra. Okay? And now I'm going to do it a complete run. So finally, the Angry Bird has got its food, that is piggy. Okay? And this is done by coding. You need not to understand, just focus on what is this kind of coding. I will tell you later on. I would just want to make you understand that computer understands its own language, that is coding. It's not the language we normally communicate with each other. So, are you able to understand these type of concepts what I have told you? That computer understands its own language, that is computer language, that you may say the programming or the coding.